Hello everyone, welcome back to Drawinfo channel. This video series is about Illustrator tutorial for beginner. So let's get started. So in this tutorial we are going to see the rotate tool or rotation tool. Basically keyboard shortcut for rotate tool is simply R. If you press R on keyboard, so rotation tool get activated over here. You see this rotation tool get activated. If I press R, it's get activated over here. Another way of activating this rotate tool, you can go simply and click on this icon. So just we are going to see the use of this rotation tool. So generally to use rotation tool we need to create first some shapes or some object in our artboard. So at the moment I have created this square, and now we are going to activate our rotation tool. So I'm pressing the keyboard shortcut only R. So you see the rotation tool got activated over here. Now you see I can rotate this. So what I need to do, I need to go over here, click, and then I need to drag it. So this is the way I can rotate this thing. So you can drag anywhere, you can rotate this. So you need to go that specific corner and you can rotate this. So this is the general use of this rotation or rotate tool. So we are going to see some properties with this rotation tool. So now what we will do, we will add one more color in this square. So what we will do, we will take this rotation into 0 and we will add one color over it. So I just created one more rectangle top of it, and then I'm going to give yellow color to this, and just to create this I'm going to delete this outer part actually. So I'm going to take shape builder tool and clicking alt I can minus that part over there. So now you see a squares in two color, yellow and white. This is yellow ochre color. So now we can use the rotation tool over here. We need to group this both the object, and now we are going to use the rotation tool. You see it's rotate, and whatever rotation will give, that rotation angle is coming over here. So you can rotate this based on this angle also. So there predefined some values are available over here, so you can select that and you can rotate this object through this predefined value. Now I just going to show you use of some more option on this rotate tool. So you can see here it is scale, reflect tool, and shear option is there. So I'm going to make this as a 0 rotation, and then you can see the same flip horizontal axis over here. So if you click this you can flip that, and if you rotate this into 90 degree you can vertically also flip this. So this is the option available over here in property, and the same thing work with this option. So reflect. So now I'm going to do this as a 0, and now we are going to use this reflect over here. So this is general use of rotation tool. So you can control the rotation through the rotate tool, and in property you can change this property to the whatever degree you want to rotate this object, even though there is a couple more options over in transform. So if you change this, is rotate into that particular angle. You see you can rotate in that angle also. Wherever you select this, it can rotate from that angle. So that's it. This is the basic use of rotation tool. So please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get notification about all new video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.